Hi everybody, today what I'm going to be doing is an ASMR video, so catch along with me, but it might be really quiet because it's an ASMR video. Okay, first we're starting off a puppet. Also, like and subscribe because I'm trying to get to 200 million subscribers, and this is my first YouTube video, so I'm trying to get many of those subscribers, and it's my first time doing this, okay guys? So please get me up to 120 or 10 subscribers because I really want a diamond play button. So first what we're going to be doing is a puppet. Dang it, I dropped something, guys. It's my chapstick. Keep my lips get dry. Time for these stamp things. Slinky. Oopsies. Slinky. Marker, smelly marker. Squishy. Another squishy. Squishy. Okay, time for all the ASMR. Sorry. This smells like my medicine. Okay, everyone, be quiet because you're gonna love the ASMR video. Hold on, guys. It takes process. This is going to be the best ASMR video you're ever going to be hearing in your whole entire life. Isn't it so good? Okay, we're only doing one. Now what we're doing is the stamps. Put your hand out. Okay, Slinkies. Sorry, you hear that noise over there. It's my dad. He snores like that and it's so weird. It's just big Slinkies where you can take apart. I'm just gonna come back. Okay, the most probably is satisfying ASMR thing. Here closely. Okay guys, that was it for wait. It smells so good, guys. Okay guys, that was the end of the video. See you next time.